Thanks for sticking with us on Valley News Live. We have thunderstorms continuing to pulse their way through eastern North Dakota. By pulse, they rise in intensity, and then the hail and rain falls out, and they weaken, and then more develop. But the strongest activity has been pretty persistent down here in Stutsman County for the last couple of hours. A look at the hail size estimates, where we're starting to lose the brighter colors here on the storm moving into western Walsh County. That warning actually going to be allowed to expire. But as we look at central Stutsman County, including the city of Jamestown, a very large thunderstorm reaching heights of 50,000 feet in the atmosphere is working its way into the western reaches of Jamestown right now. Abundant lightning probably going to go through some power flashes. Make sure you go to valleynewslive.com, and if you have your internet connection, go to the severe weather dashboard on our weather page, and you can watch our live broadcasts and cut-ins. Take a look at this hail core. It's moving right into Jamestown. This has been persistently showing hail size estimates of 2 to 3 inches in diameter. And now that we're starting to see some of these bright reds, we could see some local areas pick up hail greater than 3 inches in diameter. When that large hailstones fall out of a cloud, they cause some very gusty straight line winds. And this storm cell, as it works its way into Jamestown, still is showing indications of rotation on the Doppler radar. That's winds moving toward the radar in Mayville, right next to winds moving away from the radar in Mayville. A very dangerous storm working its way in. As we take a look at that rotation, we still see this rotating thunderstorm moving to the southeast. Each one of these colors indicates about where it will be 15 minutes down the road. So within 10 minutes, the core of the storm will be right over Jamestown proper. Here's a look at the DOT camera as we're looking off to the west of Jamestown from west of Jamestown. So the very heavy rain is working its way into the western reaches of the Jamestown community. The pipe stem area is likely seeing the largest of the hails right now. As we take you elsewhere, northeast North Dakota continuing to see this spinning thunderstorm complex working its way toward the northern Red River Valley. The warning will be expired here very shortly. This storm has weakened substantially. Hail size about 1/2 inch in diameter, but still could see some gusts over 50 miles per hour. Non-severe thunder shower activity, Roseau and Lake of the Woods counties as well, and a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 11 o'clock for many of our counties. Darkening skies to the west of the FM area. It's a muggy one out there. Feels like 90 thanks to the combination of this temperature and dew points in the very sticky, sultry 70s right now. South winds in the Grand Forks area under partly to mostly cloudy skies feels like 87. Your dew point a very sticky 72 degrees. Rain-cooled temperatures in the Devil's Lake Basin, but still hot and humid out ahead of this advancing cool front that will be pushing through. So storms will be working their way into our area, and there's plenty of moisture as indicated by the greens here. That's high dew point or air or very moist air. So plenty of fuel in our area today for these thunderstorms to dump locally heavy rainfall. Flood advisories for central Stutsman County have been posted as well. Watch the storms as we have two separate areas kind of go in two separate directions. By around the 7 to 8 o'clock hour, the Grand Forks area could be seeing these storms. We could see some development in and around the Fargo area and southeast North Dakota, but the storm that is really chunky right now in Jamestown looks like it heads south and east. Overnight, by the time we get to 1 to 2 in the morning, this storm should be exiting into central Minnesota, leaving us with quieter weather, but not cooler for Tuesday. Northerly winds that'll be light and variable early. Temperatures soaring into the upper 80s rather, south. A little bit cooler up in our northern communities with some low 80s there. Here's a peek at that thunderstorm watch again, the Red River Valley counties, northwest Minnesota, and most of eastern North Dakota as we go through the evening. Tomorrow's highs back up in the upper 80s. The wind direction will shift. It might be a pinch less humid, but still hot southeast North Dakota. Plenty warm lakes country. A little bit of relief from the heat along the international border. Gorgeous photos snapped here. Lovely colors, Wheaton, Minnesota. Thanks so much, Erica, for uploading that at valleynewslive.com. Most of Tuesday will be quieter as thunderstorm activity will take place in the wee hours of the morning. Another round of thunder Wednesday night and into Thursday. Then we close out the work week and head into the weekend on a much quieter and summer-like note.
There we go. Thursday, Friday, Saturday looks good.
That's how we plan it.
Thank you.
Yes.
Bison football hit the field this morning as fall camp opens at NDSU. Later in sports, Beth has the latest as the defending national champions prepare for the season ahead.
Up next, a new school year is right around the corner. What you can do now to help prepare your child.